Hey everybody, hey NailTubers, welcome back. So let me just explain what I'm using real quick. I'll be using my Candy Gel Creams by Verdie in white, pastel yellow, pastel green, and dark green. I'll be using two of my Mia Secret acrylic powder colors, Cake Pink and Green Tea Green, with my Mia Secret monomer. I have a Macart plastic stamping plate that I'll be trying, and I'll be using my Macart size 6 flat tip gel brush along with a feathered tip ombre brush. So the tips that I'm using are Easy Basket Full Coverage Long Stiletto Nails. To me though, they come almond shaped, so I often file the sides to give them more of that stiletto appearance. And the thumb also comes much longer than the other nails, so I tend to trim that down to make it more even with the other ones, and I need that for functionality. I've made the thumb and pinky a solid color, and the middle fingers will all be ombre in different patterns. So for this collab, Verdie wanted ombre, and for anyone that is new to this, ombre is the fading transitions from one color to the next. And she also wanted pastel as well to represent the idea that it is now turning into spring. So green is the color that I chose. I just feel that green represents everything life, everything coming back to life during this season. Here, the key to a good ombre is 1. Do not use extremely contrasting colors. 2. Use very lightweight feathery touches. And 3. Never let the polish or paint continue to build up in the brush. Wipe it frequently. I'm really excited about this collab as it's only my second one. The first one I was in, OMG. I feel my set came out nice, but I'm saying me as a participant, I didn't know what I was doing. Thankfully, the ladies were so nice. In fact, two of them, Shantae Nails and Ebony Nails, both of whom are part of this collab as well. So be sure to check out their videos along with the other nail artists or ladies that are in this one that I've met through Instagram. All the information will be in my description box. One thing that I do want to mention is, in using the gel creams, they're slightly thicker than polishes, so I find that one coat coverage, especially for the ombres, worked very well. And every layer that I did, I would cure for 60 seconds. I think I've mentioned this in other videos. Each segment where you're seeing me ombre, and in a minute where you see me doing the nail, is sped up ×4. It was somewhat forced because the original length of the video, I believe, was causing my computer to freeze and crash. These green gemstones are from a 3-in-1 pen that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I used them with some AP crystals to offer some dimension to the sparkle and shine. The more I kept working on this set, I was starting to get total tropical vibes. So yes, I'm taking you on this journey with me. So pack your bags because we are going to Hawaii. We are going to Ecuador. We are going to the Caribbean. It is wherever you want to go, hunty. We are on NAIL-CATION. I can't even get it out right with my voice. Yes, I'll be sitting in the cabana by the poolside waiting for you. I'll be sipping on my green tea and lime spritzer while taking in the atmosphere.